Hi, if you are a tarot beginner, if you are a tarot aspirant, and you have learned tarot beginner level course from somebody or from me, this is the next level course that you would like to do. Okay, because if you are very, very serious about making tarot into a professional business, this course is a must for you because if you are getting into a profession, you have to be a master at the science. So this is the Tarot Mastery course that I am going to talk about in this video. Hi, I am Preeti and I am a tarot expert. I have been practicing tarot since past 17, more than 17 years as of now in 2022. I have done tarot for like tens of thousands of people throughout the world globally in India, USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Singapore, Paris, Germany, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, etc. So, all of these places, and I think a few more places I just missed out. But the thing is, I just want to say that I have done readings for people throughout the world. I have taught tarot to people like globally, like for to thousands of people. Okay. And I am here to share with you something about my tarot mastery course. This is the master level. Okay. I do have a beginner level program also, but the next level is the tarot mastery course. This is not a beginner level program. Okay, you won't be able to master this. You won't be able to be perfect at this unless you take the beginner level program. So keep watching this entire video because I have all the information packed into this video. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so this is a very detailed course. All the theories, all the concepts of tarot will be taught to you in detail, in depth. This is not a beginner level program. This is not a light and feathery kind of program. It's a nice and heavy weighted program, something that you can savor on. It will take you some time to savor and entire digest this entire program for good. It will take you some time to digest this program entirely. Okay. This program has very, very deep concepts, all explained. How to read tarot intuitively. Okay, that will be taught to you. Different ways of doing tarot readings. Okay, yes, in the beginner level program, I just taught one method. When you don't know addition, when you don't know 1 plus 1, you cannot solve the problems of calculus and integration and all that stuff. Okay, so beginner level program was 1 plus 1. Now this is calculus and integration and determinants and all that stuff. Okay, so yes, this will be having very, very different ways of doing readings, and this course is full of practicals. Okay, all the practicals are like jam packed. Almost more than 10 plus practicals you will find in this course. Okay, now along with this course there are two important bonuses. Okay, there will be more bonuses also. I'm not discussing about all the bonuses here, but two very important bonus courses that I am including with this program. One is Tarot Symbol Mastery course. Okay, see, tarot cards are full of symbols. Okay, tarot has a lot of symbols, and these symbols connect with your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is connected with the superconscious mind, and from there, from the superconscious mind, all the intuitive guidance, all the knowledge is coming to you, and it is guiding you for your life, which is why it is extremely important to know what the tarot symbols mean. Okay, so tarot symbol mastery program can help you to learn in detail what all those symbols can mean. Okay, that is included in the tarot symbol mastery. The second bonus course that I have included is Awaken Intuition Power. This is like a must have program if you are learning tarot. Okay, see, not just tarot, any future prediction method. If you are learning, whether it's tarot, astrology, palmistry, this, that, anything, if your intuition is not active, all the programs, all the knowledge will be useless. So intuition is the key to any kind of life guidance method. So Awaken Intuition Power course is going to be given to you for free as a bonus with this program. Okay, so Awaken Intuition Power course will help you to, yes, to awaken your intuition power, strengthen your intuitive abilities. There are different practical exercises given to you so that you can strengthen your intuitive capabilities. Okay, so just because we are talking about the next level mastery course, I would like to clarify something. Okay, a lot of people have this yeah, they have this misunderstanding that once you learn tarot, you will become the master of your life. You will not have any problems. Okay, because you know everything that's going to happen. That is not true. Even after becoming a tarot reader, even after becoming a professional, your life will be as good as any other human on this planet. Means your life will be imperfect, you will still have problems, but you have just one added benefit, that you can pull out tarot cards and find out solution as soon as a problem arrives. Okay, the second thing I want to clarify here is people have a lot of misunderstood stuff about predictions. Okay, predictions can be done through the tarot, but predictions are not set on stone. So suppose if you have a very good prediction that you got from tarot, and then you don't do anything in that direction, okay, and in that case there are full chances that the prediction will not turn out true. In the same way, you got a bad prediction through the tarot that something bad is going to happen. But now you are like super aware, you don't want that bad thing to happen, and you start doing better karma, you start thinking positively, you work a lot on your subconscious, and you try to make things better. In this case, the outcome will be different. Okay, which is why I always say future predictions are not set on stone. Okay, future is alterable. If you take, if it's based on your karma, it's based on your present energy, your future will be written. Okay, so yes, so do be clear about that, because I don't want that if you want to register for this course, you think that you are going to get predictions and you are going to make your life perfect, you will not have any problems. I do get some very weird comments sometimes on my videos, which is why I had to tell you all this. Okay, because I don't want that you just have some crooked kind of belief in your mind while you join this course. Okay, so this course is available in Hindi and English language. Yes, I do have some things taken down here, because sometimes when I miss out something, I just get a lot of comments to answer later on. So which is why I'm just here sharing through this, reading out through this book. Course access is given to you for 1 year. Within that 1 year, you can watch the videos as many times as you want. Okay, bonuses are also accessible for 1 year. So whichever bonuses are available, you know, from time and again, different bonuses will be provided in. Yes, I do provide some offers. So you have to check which are the present bonuses that are available. So that present bonuses, if you want to check out, a registration link is provided below. All the bonuses, all the details about the course is given on that registration link. Okay, just click on the link and read everything very well. Okay, so now this course will be available like in two different ways. Okay, so it can be done live, or it can be done through self-study course. Okay, see, live course, yes, that will be expensive. Okay, because this would be like a good amount of days you are spending with me to learn tarot. You will be doing practicals, you will be learning tarot in front of me, so that if you go wrong, I am there to check you, I am there to correct you. So don't expect that I'll just teach you like that in very cheap amount. I will be charging you well because I want to teach well. Okay. I don't want that I just touch a few points and then I just let go and give you a certificate. I don't want to give that kind of knowledge. I want that each and everybody who joins the live program, everybody can read tarot like really, really precisely. Okay. Which is why, yes, live course will be expensive. Don't tell me, don't complain that, oh, this is so expensive. It will be expensive. I will make it expensive so that you take my course seriously. Okay. The second thing I wanted to say is there is a self study course also. Self study course is for all the people who are not able to join the live courses, because yes, there are so many people who I have got so many emails, so many messages and comments that we cannot join on this date. How do we learn this? So self study course is where there are pre-recorded videos and you learn by watching those video lessons. Okay. For the self study course, though it is like where you can watch it at any time, you still have to learn. Okay. Learning still has to be done and you have to do those practicals. Only then you will be able to learn tarot reading well. Once you join either of the course, self study or live course, you will be able to join a private group. A private Telegram group is available where you can directly connect with me and ask questions whenever you are not sure. Okay. What are you going to get with this is you get a certificate of completion. Once you finish the course, once you finish doing all the course, all the practicals entirely, you will have to request the certificate of completion. How to request, where to send the request, all of that will be given to you at the end of the program. Yeah. So once you register, only then you'll be able to know how to request the certi. Okay. So here I'm not giving that detail. So yes, within first year of registration, you have to request the certificate. If after the first year you request, you will have to pay an additional sum for that. Okay. Yes, because I want that you complete in 1 year. Okay. So also this program has daily handouts. Okay. Whatever is taught to you daily, those daily handouts, those daily notes will be sent to you. Okay. It's available. Okay. Not sent to you. It is already available and you can all download all of that. Plus there is also tarot meditation where you will be able to meditate and learn very, very in-depth tarot secrets. Okay, registration link to register for this program is given below this video. This program is available in Hindi or English language. Course videos and bonus course videos all will be accessible for 1 year. Okay, so yes, I try to make this video, I try to fit in all the information, yet some of the information may be missing or some information additional that you want to know. All is available at the website. The link is provided below. Okay, go ahead and check out all the details in and out and then register. I don't want that you close your eyes and register. I want that you open your eyes, read everything properly and then register. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any additional comments, okay, once you watch the video, once you check out my website, and still if you have additional questions, then just put that in the comment box below. You may have a question, okay, when is the live course happening? Live course will happen just once in a year and the dates will be put up on my website. Okay, so yes, if you are commenting below that, okay, when is the next course happening, the dates will not be provided in the comments. Okay, because yes, the dates are not yet fixed, but it just happens once a year. So yeah, you will have to wait for it. You will have to join the wait list for that. Okay, so yes, so this is the this is all the information for you. If you have liked the video, hit the like button, share this video with all the tarot beginners. Okay, everybody who is interested in learning tarot, share this video with everyone, you know, with all the serious learners. I don't want all the people who are just into leisurely stuff. No, I don't want those people. All the serious learners I want in my class. So share it with all the people who are seriously learning, seriously desiring to learn tarot. Okay, I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.